Alright, so like what I should have done here is probably circled all the cells, because the cells are multiplying into one bigger cell. So yes, you're adding, but at the same time the cells are multiplying. I think the cells are multiplying is more important here. And you get a new cell of a 1200. Okay, now when we look at the 1200 itself, okay, and you see that you have a circled one and a circled one dotted to each other, okay, fly speck to each other. This is why the 2 looks like the number 2, okay? It's because when you achieve balance here, what I think is going to happen, okay, because you have a 1 and a 1 in a circle, what it's going to want to do, it's going to want to untwist that. Okay, this side's going to want to go whoop, and this guy's going to stay like this, and they're going to be balanced. Okay, they want to achieve balance, get the 11, 1 and a 1 is 2, okay? But what needs to happen in order for that to happen is you create a 2. This 1 right here, okay? So your fly speck with your 1 and your 1. This one's going to go this way, this one's going to go this way, okay? Which is why the top of your 2 is curvy, okay? This one's going to join up with this part of the wave and make it more straight. And then this part's going to go at the bottom here, alright? Make that part more straight, alright? And as a result of getting rid of those 1s, okay, I think what's going to happen to, the only part we haven't accounted from is like from here to like here. I think what's going to happen there is that that's going to like Fibonacci curl. Okay, it's going to do the fennel leaf. It's going to, it's going to go, it's going to do the fennel. Okay? And it's going to create your like equidistant. It's going to break because you went through it. So this is going to curl inward and create the singularity here. Same thing over here with this part. It's going to create the singularity here. It's still a one-dimensional line. That's why it's curved. And it's literally out of phase. Not once, not twice, but thrice. It's a reverse quarter turn. Okay, I usually go this way. Now I'm going this way. It's literally 2. The 2 is just a 1, 1, 11. Like, are we gonna have to learn a new alphabet here? And if you look at this from a different point of view, it looks like a 1. Probably some sort of angle, from whatever. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah. So like 110. If that's just a circled 1 with a dash and a dash, and you read it this way, it's also, what is it? Just like how this section and this section curl to a dot, you know, it always wants to make a dot. It wants to achieve balance. So how is it going to achieve balance when this side touches that side? How's that going to happen? Now what do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 110 is equivalent to 4. I can see why. 1, 2, 3, 4. Seven, 4, 7, 4. $11,732 kilowatt seconds. Let's go with 11,7. 11,732. Holy shit, I didn't see that earlier. Holy shit, I didn't see that earlier. 11,731, 2. 11,732. Watts. Kilowatts. Okay, well, if 15 minutes makes the W, I'm trying to derive time now. I guess one going this way, one going this way, and one going that way would be an hour. So if this 1/3 is like that 1/3, then this cellular nature would start to grow inside where it already was. From this 1/3 to this 1/3, and it would just, yeah, that's it. You break the whole thing down to 1/2s. Because of this. This is what does it. Huh. 11,732. Like, right there. Because I looked at a bunch of Ks. Oh my. Yeah. Glass is curved. Yeah. Like can bend. Light can bend, guys. Does it literally take this depiction for you to understand that light can bend in air? Like the light that hits your eyes is bending like it would if it went into the light with the straight light you think happens that hits the bottle and curves. Yeah. What was that? Yes. Right here. Da 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 like, you know, it's going from here to here to here. Just want to see if I can find 11,732 in here. Yeah. 11. 1 and 1 and 5 is 7. 9, 10, 11. Or is it 9, 10, and a 0? No, this is your 9. This is your 190. And the 190, 9 is just union between a 0 and a 1. So 1010. 1010. 1010 is 20. And a tune is 0 is a 3. Interesting. And then there's 2 left. Hopefully, it's that easy. Like, U and S sum to 40. You get a 20 here and a 40 here. That's interesting. That's 60. Sixties in seconds. And how is a 40 a 2? Huh. How is a 40? That's hilarious. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Or 1. $40 would be a 1, 2, or a 3, yeah, or a 3, 4. It slides. Right? 1, 2, 1, yeah, 3, 4, 3, 4. So a 7 or a 12. Right, 21. Yeah, 40 and 2. Yeah, there's a lot of 42 stuff here. So if a 40 is a 2, yeah, it is. You can't have one without the other. You have to create a square base to have a one-dimensional line. You need a 40 to get your 2, or your 4, with your 0 in the middle, and you heaven of your plane has a 0, has a heaven. So your 4 corners, 40, 2. Yeah. So yeah, even Jesus means 11, 7, 3, 2. 11,732. 11,700 and 32. Kilowatt. Hopefully seconds, because that's 60. Kilowatt seconds. Huh.